So for our DIY home pedicure, we are going to need some feet soak. So generally that's just water, some hot water, which I'm going to show you guys in a short while. We are also going to need some bicarbonate soda. So this is the Clover's bicarbonate soda, and it goes for 20 shillings or 30 if I'm not wrong. And we're also going to need some 2 lemons, so 2 or 1 depending on the amount of water you're going to need for your feet soak. Yeah, so you might be wondering why we are using the lemon and the bicarbonate soda for our home, or rather our DIY home pedicure. So these two, the lemon comes in handy because it helps us in exfoliating our skin to remove the dead skin, and it also helps in freshening our feet, you know, to remove the bad odor, which is not really fancy. And then it also helps in relaxing our feet, most especially for people who are used to walking around in heels a lot or closed shoes. So this helps in, you know, just relaxing your feet, and that's a good thing. I'm now going to add some hot water onto the lemon. So onto the bicarbonate soda, it helps in removing bad odor and combating issues like fungi from our feet, which is not good. And it also helps in whitening our nails, most especially for people who are so much used to, you know, using nail polish. You can use nail polish a lot of times on your nails, and then in the long run you have your nails discolored. So bicarbonate soda helps in whitening our nails and removing that yellowish or reddish colors that we have on our nails because of nail polish. So you can see that the lemon juice starts forming as soon as I add the bicarbonate soda. And I'm just eyeballing it. I am not exactly having, you know, like some exact measurements for the bicarbonate soda. So we're now going to add some warm water onto this to have our official feet soak. Yeah, so I'm going to use a basin, but you can also use a bucket, whatever works for you. So I'm going to use a basin to add everything, to pour everything onto it, and then add some warm or semi-hot water, yeah, for my feet. Yeah, so this is what is going to be our, you know, what we're going to use for our pedicure to be able to get to the next step. I put my feet into my water soak. I am going to need a pumice stone and a nail cutter. So this is where you get to use your nail file, your nail cutter, and everything else. But I need a pumice stone to be able to scrub or exfoliate dead skin from my feet. And then I'll also need a nail cutter which has a nail file inside it to be able to, you know, file my nails or cut any extra parts of my nails if they're long, way too long. And so we are here to, you know, pamper our feet and feel good and not get some scars and burns. So always ensure that your water is warm enough so that you don't get burnt. Yeah. have patted dry my feet, but it's not like 100% dry. Let me say 80% dry. So when it's around 80% dry, going to 100% dry, if that makes sense. It's not 100, like it's not fully dry, and that's how I like it. So when it's not fully dry, that's when I use my shea butter. This is the usual shea butter I use on my hair, the Family Organic Shea Fantasy. So I'm going to use my organic shea butter on my feet to, you know, to allow my feet to retain the moisture. Yeah, so hair and skin is just the same thing. And then the next thing, I'm going to use my pink socks. Now these are the socks that I use every time I'm going to sleep, and I always sleep in my socks just because my feet get cold really fast and I don't like it. So I usually sleep in these pink socks. So I'm going to put them on and then head to sleep, because it's going to make my skin really smooth and soft when I wake up. So hey guys, it's the next morning and I still have my socks on. So we're going to finish up our pedicure by using my nail polish, the Luron line, and please don't judge me, they're not new. Yeah, so let's get right into it. Yeah. So I'm going to start off with my top coat, and then my main nail polish is going to be this one, the Luron number 111. You guys can't see, but yep, there. It's Luron number 111. I just like it because it's neutral and not so screaming, so yep.